So this is called a Niçoise salad, Niçoise, because it's French, right? It's from the Nice region of France. And Nice is spelled N-I-C-E, in case you're curious. And the C has that little like waggly guy underneath, as in like blue curacao. And it's a gorgeous composed salad. It's got tomatoes and olives and tuna and eggs and green beans and a vinaigrette that's full of like fresh herbs and really flavorful items. And it's so good. If you don't like tuna, you can totally leave it out and use another protein if you want. You can add chicken, you can add steak. It wouldn't really be a Niçoise salad at that point, but that's fine. Who cares? If it tastes good, do it. And if you're a vegetarian, like you can leave out the protein altogether and just enjoy it with the vinaigrette and all of its vegetable components. So this is a composed salad, and the purpose of a composed salad is that it looks really nice. It means when you're putting the salad together, put some effort into how it looks. Like you can just throw a bunch of shit in a bowl if you want. I mean, that's fine. But the whole point of the salad is that it's composed and then it looks nice. So we're gonna put a little more effort into making it look nice. And a Niçoise salad particularly is like very composed. So let's get started.